letters uses 2 lines. Because it has such a tall neck, it's allowed to go into the other lines as well. Only tall letters are allowed to do that. So they are a little bit special. So today's tall letter is going to be our H sound. And it's going to use the head and the body of the cat. It does not have a tail, so it's not going to use the tail of the cat as well. So the H sound is going to use 2 lines, the head and the body. I'm starting with the capital letter, and all capital letters always use 2 lines. Always. So let's start with a capital letter. I'm doing mine in black so that you can see it properly, but you can choose which color you want to use. Just don't use yellow. I can't see that so clearly. So you start at the top, and we are going to go down, lift, down, lift, and our line on the fold in the middle. Remember, our golden rule is we must touch the top and the bottom of the folds, because we're going to pretend that these are our lines. Finger space, down, lift, down, lift, and line in the middle. Finger space, down, lift, and line in the middle. Finger space, down, lift, and line in the middle. Right, I won't be able to fit another one in there. Now we've done our capital letter. We're going to do our small letter now as well, and our small letter is also going to use the head and the tummy of the cat, because it's a tall letter and it has a long neck. So let's see how that's going to go. We leave the tails line open for now, because we're not doing any letters now with tails. So we leave the tails line open, and we start our small letter H with its tall neck. We start here in the head by the cat, and remember, it uses the head and the body because it's a tall letter. Start at the top, touch the fold, down, up, and hop, lift. Finger space, down, up, hop. Finger space, down, up, hop. Finger space, down, up, hop. There we go. We have our capital letter and we have our small letter. Now we are going to be writing some words that starts with our H sound. But before we do that, I first want us to do a pattern. And it's going to be the pattern that goes with our H sound. And for that, I'm going to change my color quickly. There we go. I've got orange over here, and watch carefully. The secret is we're not allowed to lift our hand in the middle, right? So let's try and do that together. Watch me. I'm going to start right underneath the tail of the cat in this line. This line does not have a cat because we're only going to do a pattern. Normally patterns will use the body of the cat. But we could not fit another cat in here because the tail would not work. So that's why I didn't draw another cat. So let's start underneath the cat's tail. We're going to go down, touch, and hop. Up, hop. Up, hop, and lift. So you're going to do 1, 2, 3 hops, finger space. Start at the top, down, up, hop, up, hop, up, hop, lift. And we're not going to be able to fit another one in. So you can do 1, 2 of those patterns for me. Now you are out of space, as you can see, right? So now I am going to turn